Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Alfredo Pierogi Casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out with a 9x13 baking pan. I'm going to spray with some cooking spray, vegetable oil. Well, this is actually canola. That's going to be a real quick and easy casserole. I'm going to start, I have two 16-ounce boxes of frozen pierogies. These are the classic cheddar ones. I'm going to get them down there frozen. Now guys, I'm doubling the recipe because there's going to be like 8 of us eating tonight. Now I have an 8-ounce package of diced ham here. I'm going to add that down in there. And guys, it's pretty much a dump meal, just dumping everything in and going. Not much work to it. Get all my ham down in there. I'm going to spread that around a little bit. Okay, now I have a 12-ounce bag of frozen broccoli florets. They're going to go in there. Now I have two 16-ounce jars of Alfredo sauce. I'm going to dump that over everything. And let me grab a spoon to get the Alfredo sauce out of the jar. Just using my mini spurtle here, guys. Alright, now let me get my other jar. Alfredo sauce. Now, if you're not crazy about Alfredo sauce, you could very easily substitute this with the jarred cheddar cheese sauce. But then it won't be Alfredo Pierogi Casserole. Get that excess cheese out of there. Years ago, back in the 80s, I used to work at a fast food restaurant, Rack's Roast Beef, and they had a salad bar, and you would be scraping out like the cans of pudding to put in the crocks in the salad bar, and the manager used to say, make sure you get all that pudding out of there, that's enough to serve a small child, you know, so they didn't want you to waste anything. That comes out to profit. Alright, now that we have our Alfredo sauce in there, I'm going to take a little bit of breadcrumb and sprinkle it in here. I'm using Italian seasoned breadcrumb. You can use any kind you like. This just add a little extra flavor. And I'm going to take a 1 pint pack of grape tomatoes. You can also use cherry. I'm just going to spread them around in here. And my niece Chantel doesn't like tomatoes, but she'll like these when they're cooked. She's saying, yeah, right, she'll eat around them. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes till the pierogies and the broccoli's cooked through, tomatoes are cooked, and the cheese sauce is hot. Alright guys, this is done. It took 50 minutes because I doubled the batch, and I added a little bit of dried chives on top for a little extra color and flavor. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Start with some of that pierogi. Really good. You get the cheese from the pierogi, say the filling, you get the Alfredo cheese. Try some broccoli here. It's really good. Broccoli has a little bit of a crisp on it, but it's not raw. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Alfredo Pierogi Casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.